Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jansen Fancher with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks, and I got the privilege of showing you this brand new Harris 230 Sunliner. Got the deep 4-step ladder, got a naturally aspirated Mercury 250 horsepower V8, speakers back here on the transom. This is the center walkthrough layout. Got a good sized SIMRAD screen, JL audio head unit, wireless phone charger there, great place for storage, cup holder down below, got the LED lights and all of the cup holders. Very spacious. We got massive in-floor storage here. Look at all this space. 4 full-size fenders are down in there. There's your boat cover. Very comfortable captain seat, and it does have the bolster. That way you can see in front of whoever's laying down there lounging, enjoying the water here on Lake of the Ozarks. If you guys would like to set up an appointment and see this boat in person, give us a call. My direct line is 573-606-3029. As for Jansen, thanks and have a great day.